Today we have xpad Infinix, so let's unboxing it together. As you can see, it's 11-inch and Full HD Plus. Also, it has MediaTek Helio G99 and 256 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM. Also supports AI powered by ChatGPT. Oh, what's inside? Oh, we have a headphone and cable. Also, we have adapter. I think we have all things on this box. Wow, I'm so excited to try that. Wow, the design is made of aluminum. Feel like it's serious when you hold it. Okay, let's turn on it. Also, I bought this piece. It works like a case and at the same time contains a keyboard. It's very cool and very useful. And connects to the tablet via Bluetooth. As you can see, when you move the button, you can connect in moments. I really liked this design because it's different from its competitors. This version has SIM cards. Let's listen to its speakers. It's 4 speakers. Let's take some picture with it. Indeed, I think it's better than Samsung A9 as well as Honor Pad because its image processing and colors are completely different from other devices. Therefore, I consider it the best in the photography. In the end, I recommend buying it. See you soon, bro.